Part 1. Finish line. Chapter 1. My life is over. Behind the morphine dream is the nightmare of a reality I can't face. I cry myself back to sleep, wishing, pleading, praying that I'll wake up from this. But the same nightmare always awaits me. Shh, my mother whispers. It'll be okay, but her eyes are swollen and red, and I know she doesn't believe what she's saying. My father, now this is a different story. He doesn't even try to lie to me. What's the use? He knows what this means. My hope, my dreams, my life is over. The only one who seems unfazed is Dr. Wells. Hello there, Jessica, he says. I don't know if it's day or night, the second day or the first. How are you feeling? I just stare at him. What am I supposed to say? Fine? He inspects my chart. So, let's have a look, shall we? He pulls the covers off my lap, and I find myself face to face with the truth. My right leg has no foot, no ankle, no shin. It's just my thigh, my knee, and a stump wrapped in a mountain of gauze. My eyes flood with tears as Dr. Wells removes the bandages and inspects his handiwork. I turn away, only to see my mother fighting back tears of her own. It'll be okay, she tells me, holding tight to my hand. We'll get through this. Dr. Wells is maddeningly cheerful. This looks excellent, Jessica. Nice vascular flow, good color. You are already handling beautifully. I glance at the monstrosity below my knee. It's red and bulging at the end. Fat staples run around my thumb like a big ugly zipper, and the skin is staining dirty yellow. How's the pain? He asks. Are you managing okay? I wipe away my tears and nod, because the pain in my leg is nothing compared to the one in my heart. None of their meds will make that one go away. He goes on cheerfully. I'll order a shrinker sock to control the swelling. Your residual limb will be very tender for a while, and applying the shrinker sock may be uncomfortable at first, but it's important to get you into one. Reducing the swelling and shaping your limb is the first step in your rehabilitation. A nurse appears to rebandage me as he makes notes in my chart and says, a prosthetist will be in later today to apply it. Tears continue to run down my face. I don't seem to have the strength to hold them back. Dr. Wells softens. The surgery went beautifully, Jessica. He says this like he's trying to soothe away reality. And considering everything, you're actually very lucky. You're alive and you still have your knee, which makes a huge difference in your future mobility. BK amputees have it much easier than AK amputees. BK? AK? My mom says. I'm sorry, he says, turning to my mother. Below knee, above knee. In the world of prosthetic legs, it's a critical difference. He prepares to leave. There will be obviously an adjustment period, but Jessica is young and fit, and I have full confidence that she'll return to completely normal life. My mother nods, but she seems dazed, like she's whispering my father was there to help her absorb what's being said. Dr. Wells flashes a final smile at me. Focus on the positive, Jessica. We'll have you up and walking again in short order. This from the man who sawed off my leg. He whooshes from the room, leaving a dark, heavy cloud of the unspoken behind. My mother smiles and coos reassuringly, but she knows what I'm thinking. What does it matter? It'll never run again.